At Sherbiny, we firmly believe in learning from the wisdom of the past to create the innovations needed for tomorrow. For over 3 decades, our strict focus on quality has been equaled by the atmosphere of trust and respect we create for our clients, as dictated by our family values and heritage.
My father has a different vision. He thought about that, you know what, let me go and fill a gap where there is a market need and demand, and I can create a niche offering from services and products. We want to make sure that we embed our family values in terms of integrity, in terms of honesty, loyalty, commitment, into our daily operations. And this is what makes our company what it is now. Simply the fact that we want to have this culture within the company and radiates even outside.
A strong reliance on family values has resulted in an ethical structure defining the company's corporate identity. Since its inception in 1986 as a distributor of specialized industrial equipment, Sherbiny has grown to be one of Saudi Arabia's leading providers of premium industrial solutions. The company has expanded rapidly and now also offers holistic solutions through its manufacturing and assembly plants, with offices across Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and Europe. This has been achieved by Sherbiny partnering with leading manufacturers to bring the best industrial technologies to Saudi Arabia, including a wide array of mechanical, electrical and instrumentation equipment. And in keeping with its commitment to helping build a diversified economy in Saudi Arabia, Sherbiny has continuously been expanding its efforts to pave the way for new products and services to be made in the country. The company's plants and service centres provide coast-to-coast coverage for all our industrial solutions and technical services. From providing premium equipment to technical services and support, and top-of-the-line engineering solutions, along with state-of-the-art manufacturing and assembly lines, Sherbiny ensures that it follows the guidelines outlined in the country's groundbreaking Vision 2030 initiative.
When we started having our first international offices, we looked at the immediate markets, let's say GCC markets. For us was, a natural expansion for our operations, for our business. We are, looking to deliver the same quality products and services that we provide to our customers here in Saudi, to our customers in the GCC.
Sherbiny has never lost sight of its core values, even as it has diversified its portfolio. That is why the Sherbiny local assembly facility reflects the highest international standards. In addition, Sherbiny's quality, environmental and health and safety policies have resulted in key ISO certifications.
Later on, we had the need to expand to other markets. We started with an engineering center in Europe, and now we have a much bigger operation. We'd like to take this opportunity to invite everyone globally to come and visit Saudi Arabia, and for all the international industrial partners to consider Saudi Arabia as a destination for their expansion, and for Sherbiny to be their partner.
Sherbiny, your trusted local partner for industrial solutions. Building a better future for Saudi Arabia.